Okay, Steph, I hate to bring this down to you, but I smell very bad after all. I couldn't take showers, I wash myself up anymore since they steal my clothes left and right. So it's hard to take showers. So, it's Parshas of Molech here, Mechias Molech. It says, V'yavei Molech, some of Parshas Zu, the Mikra Zeh, Loimer Talmud Ani B'neichem, Zuman L'chotzeichem to give you your food. At Ma'imrim, Ha'yeshayav V'kemeinim Ma'ayin, Ha'yechem She'akel Abov V'noishich Eschem, Ma'atan Tzeyakem V'teido Eichem, Ani Moshel Elam, Sheikh Abelei Kasefoi, V'yotzel Derech, V'yisai Ben Roya Chofetz Oimer, Aval Toiv Chofetz Zu, Zev, Sen Leave, U'nois Lei, Chen Shniv, Chen Shlishis, Pagu Ba'adam, Echalam Alei Oisan Ben, he says, Abba Amalei, just like I tried to prove Kaiso that the Bain Shung is the Panas of Megameus and everything, I tried to prove the world. The Lakewood Scoop sent people after me constantly to harass me, take my clothes away. Let the Bain Shung send pitball dogs after them and tear them apart. That type of caliph. Not only Amalek, but pitball dogs. Go from the German Nazis to tear them apart, like the way they're supposed to be torn apart. And let this Rashi come true. May Hashem, Elohim, Vilkash, Nidov. HaKadosh Baruch will take care of them.